Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today you guys are getting a bonus video from me. A bonus! Give me a like if you like bonus videos. So yesterday in the mail I received the KL Polish Summer collection. This is the Havana Heat collection, and I pre-ordered it when it was up for pre-order, like I always do. I always usually get her full collections because I love KL Polish. It's one of my favorite nail polish brands. I've talked about it before, but I did do a full review and swatch of the winter collection. Not really a review, but I told you guys which ones were my favorites, which ones weren't. I swatched them on my nails, and you guys seem to really like that video, so I thought I would do it for this one as well. Give me a thumbs up if you like when I do these videos and you want me to do more of these, because honestly, almost every single time she launches a new collection, I buy it. So yeah, this one is the Havana Heat. There's 6 polishes, and this one is more Cuban themed is what she said. Cuban themed, tropical vibes, that's kind of what's going on here. So first off, KL Polish. Why is that my favorite brand? If you don't know, KL Polish is a brand created by a YouTuber, Kathleen Lights, and she really loves polishes, so she created her own brand. And besides the fact that I do like Kathleen Lights, I do watch her, but I love her polish formula. It is such an incredible formula. Kind of my thing with polishes, I have a thing about polishes too. I love polishes. You guys saw my polish declutter video. If you didn't, I will put it up here so you can go check it out. But I wash a lot of dishes. I'm with kids. I'm always doing things, and so it's hard for me to find a polish that doesn't chip and that has a really good lasting formula. So this is actually one of the very few brands that I love because of the formula, because it has amazing lasting power and it doesn't chip. It's like chip resistant. I can wear it for a whole week and I still feel good about how my nails look. Also, her nail polishes aren't really streaky. They're really opaque, really good, really smooth, creamy formulas. And also, I love the brush. It's like the fat, rounded brush, so I can get really close to the cuticles, which is kind of my big thing as well. I just want to get as close to the cuticles as possible. And I love the Wet n Wild brushes for years. But now that she has that same brush, except it's rounded, I love her polishes. I won't buy another polish. This is the polishes that I like to buy. So these polishes individually do retail for $9.50, but the whole kit like this was like $49.95, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch these all on my nails. I'm gonna tell you which ones are my favorites, which ones are my least favorites. They all have a really good formula. None of them are streaky. They're all really smooth. So I can just tell you that right off the bat. This is what the polishes look like. And it's interesting that she picked the colors that she did, because I feel like these 3 over here, you can still wear it during the fall. If you're one of those people that likes to wear summer polishes during the summertime and fall colors during the fall time, like these can be summer and fall, I feel like. I think so. I think you can pull it off, especially these 2 right here. So I don't know, it's really interesting the colors that she chose for this I almost said palette. It's very interesting the colors she chose for this summer line. So I'm gonna start off with the polish that I have on today, and this one is the Celia. This one is the color Celia, and it's kind of more of like a fuchsia, hot pink kind of mix there, I feel like. Really beautiful. I love hot pinks. Those are some of my favorite polishes to wear year-round. I don't really care what time of year it is. I'll wear a hot pink, I'll wear a yellow, whenever I feel like it. That's just how I am. And this is just a really pretty one. I'm super impressed. I mean, look at that. Look at it on my nails. It's so gorgeous. I love this one. This is one of my top favorite ones. And it goes on really smooth, and the first coat is super opaque. So I love that. The next color is Tropicana, which is one of the main reasons I wanted this collection, because I loved this yellow. It's so beautiful. I'm obsessed with yellow polishes, and this is the perfect yellow for me. Like, she's released some other yellows, but this one is my favorite and the perfect yellow, like the perfect sunshine happy yellow. Next, this one I was kind of iffy about, but I'm actually starting to like it. So this is the one shimmery shade she has. This is called Matanzas, and it is a blue with shimmers in it, but it looks like they are like lilac pinky shimmer in it, which I am glad she went that way because I don't like polishes with silver shimmers or glitters or glitz in there, but this one I feel like definitely has more of a summery vibe when it has those pinky colors in there. So it's just not, I don't know, because this blue looks kind of deeper, but you can pull it off when you have like those pinky shimmers in there. I think so. Anyways, I really like this color. It's beautiful. It looks beautiful in the sunlight as well. So next is this one. This is Cha-Cha. Not Cha-Cha, Cha-Cha-Cha. And it is a burnt orange. It is a very fall color to me. Like this looks like Rhode Island in the fall. It is really, really beautiful. And I think that, I don't know, personally I wish it would have been like a hair lighter. That's like my personal preference because like of my skin shade and tone. I feel like this one for me would have looked better skin lighter. But on fair skin, this is beautiful, gorgeous. But I like it. It's a pretty color. It goes on smooth. This is another one where the first coat is like super opaque, a very creamy formula, and just really, really beautiful. Next is Mojito, and it is a green, and it looks like almost like a palm tree green. I'm not sure how to describe it. It's definitely not this green. Like you can see, it's darker and it's a beautiful green. I'm not one that really likes green polishes like this, like green, but this one has an interesting tone about it that it makes it so it's more wearable than just like a grass green. Do you know what I mean? Like it's a good tone of green. So if you like green polishes, you're gonna really love this one. It's really smooth as well. And last is Cubana, and this one is a burnt red. It's like a red and the burnt orange had a baby. That's what this one is. It's definitely red, but it's in the bottle, it looks more burnty orangey in the bottle. Do you know what I mean? But once it's on nails, you can tell it's really beautiful, really nice red, but definitely is, I don't know, if you have a lot of reds in your collection, kind of like I do, this is a good one to have because it's different than all the other reds that I've seen around, and it's definitely different than a brick red. It's not a brick red, but it's like a burnt orange red. You know what I mean? I don't know. This is a fun color to have, and it's not gonna be like any reds that you probably have in your collection already. So I think it's really unique. Those are all 6 of the polishes. My 2 favorite are, these 2 are my 2 favorite, and I'm actually starting to like the vibes of this blue one as well. It reminds me of a blue that she already has, but that one didn't have shimmer in it. So it's nice that this one has like or did it have shimmer in it? I'm not sure now. I have to look. I have like all my nail polishes out. Anyways, these 2 are my favorites, and I like this one too. I wore this one as well, and it's really, really, really pretty as well. If you guys are on the fence about trying a Kale polish, I definitely think that you should. I think that her formula is the bomb, and her brush is really, really awesome. So even though each polish is $9.50, I think it's definitely worth it to get a good polish. Not to mention it's 7 harmful chemical free is what they kind of advertise a lot. It's also vegan and made in the US, and it's cruelty free, just in case you're wondering. So I'll put the link for Kale polish down below so you can check it out. But I hope you guys liked me swatching the videos and just kind of hanging out and chilling in a short little sweet video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and give me a thumbs up if you want me to do more of these videos. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I guess I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.